Hey everybody, this is Roger, and I've talked about this before when I did the video on the splitter, and I now have a brand new Faucet Aerator. My last one finally shucked out, had it for quite a few years, and this is what it looks like. Picked up on Amazon. I think it was about 10 bucks. And the purpose in this, for here anyway, is that if you've got a little more pressure there than you want, you're trying to fill watering cans, if you're trying to wash your hands, whatever you're trying to do, that's just a little bit too much pressure for you. Take the aerator, comes with a washer. Make sure that's in there and put it on there, and then much more controlled and reduced. So if that's something worthwhile, there is a link in the description of the video. This is what it is. Again, I think it's about $9.95, just a Faucet Aerator. And click the link. I'm going to try to remember to put the link for the actual splitter in there too. So that's it. Not a big deal on this one, just something simple, but it can be helpful. So have a good one.